Hello, good evening everyone. I am Anjali. Today I am going to share my some thoughts with you. What is the difference between love and attraction? Because in this time, most of the people are confused. They like someone, yeah, they love someone. And but there is a condition. If I will say something wrong, so don't mind it. So you know what happened with me? I was in 8th class. So that time my classmate loves my friend. I was talking with my friend. So my friend said to me, he loves her. So I thought it's okay. He loves her. So my reaction is okay. But after some time, he wrote a letter for her. And you know what did he write in a letter? Write in a letter? He write, I love him and I love him literally and my love is like Radha Krishna. Then I read that line, so I was so disappointed. What he says, what is he saying, and what can he write these things? Because this is not the good thing. Because if you compare your love with Radha Krishna, so it is not a good thing. So you know, she rejected him in front of everyone, and she said, will you be become my brother? So it's okay. But if you will not be my brother, so it's not okay. And also sometime he said, if you will again this thing, so I will slap you in front of everyone. So this time he does not do this. After some time, he said to a girl, he is my she is my attraction, and I love some other one. So that time I understood everything. What is the difference between these things? Because people think firstly I love him, but this is not the love. This is only his attraction. And many times people says, because according to me, sir is always saying our mind is not fixed in a place. Because in this time our mind is going there, and I don't know our mind will be going where. So it's a condition, because our mind is not stable. You know, according to me, love, what is love? So anybody can tell me what is love for you?
Still learning,
But I think love is a pure thing, and love is a deep connection with someone. But you know, if someone is love you, so it's a good thing. But people cheat in love. So they says many times, I don't like love. Love is waste of time, and also love is a curse. But I think this is not a curse, because it's depend on you. Because if someone and you both are love only each other, so it's good. But if you think and you say I love her, but she does not love you, she loves someone. So you force to him, please love me. So this is a lust, not a love, I think. And if someone is love you, so he wants only make you happy, and he wants only one thing. If he wants to see you happy, if you live with her, stay with her, him, and also leave away from him. Thank you.